everyone, let's dive into something super exciting today. I'm talking about the technology trends that are shaping up to be game changers in 2024. First up, we've got Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. This isn't just a buzzword, it's revolutionizing how we work. Imagine this, robots handling repetitive tasks, freeing up humans for creative and strategic endeavors. The demand for RPA experts is skyrocketing, so if you're looking for a hot career path, this could be it. Now, let's shift gears to something even more futuristic, generative AI. This technology isn't just about creating cool art. It's about solving problems in ways we never thought possible. From designing drugs to optimizing logistics, generative AI is making waves across industries. And we can't talk about 2024 without mentioning sustainability in tech. It's not just an option anymore, it's a must. We're seeing everything from data centers powered by renewable energy to smarter, circular manufacturing processes that drastically cut waste. This is technology growing up, taking responsibility for the planet. But wait, there's more. Quantum computing is stepping out of sci-fi and into reality, promising to crack problems that current computers would take centuries to solve. Whether it's climate modeling or financial forecasting, the potential is limitless. Lastly, the convergence of IT and security is something to watch. As our tech gets smarter, so do the threats against it. This year, expect to see much more robust, integrated approaches to cybersecurity that safeguard our digital worlds better than ever before. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to switch careers or just curious about where the world is heading, these trends are a clear signal of exciting times ahead. Stay tuned, stay curious, and here's to making the most of 2024's tech landscape. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.